Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to change job preference location in LinkedIn. All right. I'm going to be showing you two ways. Now, if you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now in here, just go ahead and go to linkedin.com. Now go ahead and click on your profile or your profile name. Just click on it. Now in here, click on the edit button. Okay. Now go ahead and scroll down and look for location. Okay. Go ahead and click on it. Now go ahead and type in your preferred location. For example, USA. Just like so. Click on United States and enter a postal code. Once that's done, just hit on save. And then when you go to home, all of the job recommendations right here or post will be from United States. Now, if you're trying to find a job, now go ahead and tap on jobs right here. Now at the top left, we have the skill or the job title that you're looking for. For example, video editor, like so. Just click on it. Now, besides that, we have the location. You can go ahead and close this one and enter maybe remote or again, United States. Just click on it and everything right here will be in US. Okay, that's basically how you do it. Well, I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.